Possibly the quickest meal, Ilocano Pinakbet in just 5 minutes.
Convenient, modern, practical, yet delicious.
Find out how here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook, and share.
Hello, we're frying mackerel outside through a more modern way of frying. Without the splatters and without the undesired aroma later. And along with that, we'll be preparing pinakbet. Shortcut. And believe me, I'll be cooking it in just 5 minutes. How, Romulo? Well, it's a frozen pinakbet. I'll just be microwaving it. How is that possible? It is, really. Freezing a cooked dish is widely practiced, even in restaurants, they do that. And I've been freezing fresh vegetables and cook them frozen. But this time, by the way, if you want to watch a tutorial on how to freeze leafy vegetables from leaves or to beans, they're here. But today, I'll be showing how to prepare a frozen pinakbet. Will it work? Will it look the same as a fresh pinakbet? Will it taste even close to the authentic or to the freshly prepared pinakbet? Let's find out. Stay with me. First is to locate where it is. Yeah, here. Found it. No, wrong. This is. I think of the wrong box. This is the Marquesa. It's actually a Marie. It's a Graham no-bake cake made by my Venezuelan colleague. Look, this will be the dessert. Wrong. Found it. Yeah. Found it. I'll show you. Look, there's a frozen pinakbet. Let's just microwave it and let's see how it tastes. Give it 5 minutes at least, or that depends on your microwave setting. More than 5 minutes. I hope this is warm enough and it has boiled. Let's check. I gave it more than 5. I think it was 6 even. It looks promising. Look at this. Oh, it's really warm. How? It's hot. Okay, let's check how this would serve. Come closer. Oh, yo. Now, honestly, does this look like it's been frozen? It looks as if it was just prepared hours ago. How about the taste? The same? How about the texture of the ampalaya? Let's check. It's not crunchy. It's cooked, frozen, and warm. So that's acceptable. It's no longer crunchy. It was never crunchy even when it was still freshly cooked. Happy. When vegetable is abundant, you can freeze the vegetables prepared, or you can freeze the cooked dish and just warm it when you need it. Well, convenient. That's our modern way of cooking. Frozen pinakbet also. Look, good combination. A full meal prepared in just 6 minutes. Oh no, this took longer. 19 minutes. This, 6 minutes. See? Convenient, modern, practical, yet delicious.